Welcome to the Search Exam Preparation course. Today we're going to cover search advertising overview, search ad campaign creation, showing your ads and determining your bids, and how to measure performance and optimize. Consumers no longer go online. They live their lives there. We are all constantly seeking new kinds of information, from deals to trivia to the hottest brands. According to Google, people are conducting over 100 billion Google searches each month. Search has become the default option for people when they want or need something, whether it be a vacation, a product, an activity, or a piece of specific information. With computers, tablets, and phones, users are always connected, and they search during the day for micro moments. Want to know, want to go, want to do, or want to buy. Each of these searches creates an opportunity to influence customer preferences and decisions. Being there when someone is looking for the kind of product you offer positions you to make the sale. The brands that are effectively appealing to customers during the micro moments are the brands that succeed. Focus on creating an experience that is relevant and useful, and at each touch point by focusing on customer needs. 4 in 5 consumers want ads customized to where they are, their city, zip code, or immediate surroundings. 1/2 of smartphone users, 34% of computer and tablet, who conduct a local search visit a store within a day. Using product information, they often turn to brick-and-mortar stores. 59% of smartphone users say they find mobile ads useful, and 56% have done a mobile search after seeing an ad. 73% of mobile searches trigger additional action, such as calling the business. Search ads drive an average increase of 6.6 percentage points in top-of-mind awareness. When asked to recall up to 5 brands unaided, brand awareness increased on average by 9.2 percentage points. Location bid adjustments can target specific cities or zip codes, including easy-to-find directions, inventory, and pricing on your landing pages. Having the information in hand, many users visit brick-and-mortar stores. Using tools like Google Trends allow you to create a plan, confirm your feelings, and dive into data. If you can focus on what consumers want in their moment of need and ensure you are there when someone searches for you, you will start to build a following. Search ad campaign creation. Choose the right campaign. Organize your campaign. Choose an ad format, create better ads with extensions, and understand the landing page experience. Here are some tips. Organize your AdWords account as you would structure your web page, with each ad group representing a site category or page. Organize campaigns and groups as you create them. Reorganizing later will wipe valuable data. Many accounts are best organized as one campaign with several ad groups, each featuring 2 or 3 ads and 10 to 35 keywords within each ad group. Choosing an ad format. Text. Maintain ads quickly and easily and reach those searching via Google. Ad extensions provide additional details and contact information to increase relevance. Image ads showcase your product in a visual way. App promotions send your customers to download your app from the store or include a deep link directly into an app. Video ads deliver a rich and engaging experience to customers on websites that partner with Google. Shopping ads encourage your customers to learn about the products you sell before they ever click on the site. Call-only ads drive calls to your business by showing devices on ads that can make phone calls. Text ads and mobile ads. Text ads have 3 parts. The headline. Use keywords which can determine when and where your ads can appear. The display URL, typically shown in green and shows the web address. This is different from the landing page URL, which AdWords does not display. The description, which is an area to highlight product or service details. To make a great text ad, highlight what makes you unique. Immense variety, free shipping, and showcase what makes you competitive. Include prices, promotions, and exclusives. Provide the information that people need to decide. Include any information on limited time discount or stock exclusives. Empower customers to take action. Include calls to action like purchase, call today, order, browse, sign up, or get a quote. A successful text ad always ties the call to action to the landing page. Include at least one of your keywords. Keywords in ads show your ad's relevance to what people desire. Match your ad to your landing page. Make certain the same products and promotions are included on the landing page and that the experience meets expectations. Appeal to customers of mobile. Use call and location extensions to share your phone number and location. Create separate ads optimized towards those mobile devices. Experiment. As a best practice, take advantage of AdWords automatic rotations to test different messages and determine effectiveness. Check for common text mistakes. No extra spaces, strange capitalization, or unclear URLs present an unprofessional image. Capitalize the first letter of each word in the headline. Use text that puts the emphasis on the user with words like you or your. Use concise a description as possible, like 20 to 70% off LCD monitors rather than cheap, cheap, cheap monitors. Mobile ads allow you to reach customers while they are on the move. They feature a plethora of ad images, text, image, app promotion, and HTML ads in browser. Text, image, app promotion, image app promotion, video app promotion, TrueView app promotion in mobile apps. Create mobile optimized ads by selecting the mobile checkbox next to device preference. It is recommended that you test your messages with multiple formats to develop an understanding of what drive visits and downloads. Choose the right campaign type for your app. Universal app campaigns. AdWords creates ads for Android apps in a variety of auto-generated formats. Ads are created based on creative text and app details. Optional YouTube links allow you to show YouTube ads. Mobile app install campaigns increase downloads by sending people directly to the App Store. This is available on YouTube, Display Network, and the Search Network. Standard image and video ad formats are allowed. Mobile app engagement. Deep links to specific screens within your mobile app. Available for Display and Search Network, and standard and image app engagement ads. Increasing mobile app engagement. Mobile app engagement is a great choice if you're focused on getting people who have installed your app to try your app again. These ads allow flexibility for bidding, targeting, and counting conversions. Display Network all engagement campaigns allow you to show ads within other apps, specifically to those who have installed your app. These engagements can encourage users to do something specific or more broadly open your app. Remarketing lists are available to target specific groups who haven't interacted with the app in a certain way. Search Network app engagement campaigns, which are only currently enabled for Android apps. Ads encourage users to open the app and do something related to what they were searching for on Google. Bids can be at a CPC or conversion-based strategy. Enter a sample keyword to start. Return at any time to generate more related keywords. Deep links allow you to send the users to the location in your app that is most related to their Google search. Add phone numbers to ads. It makes it easy for people to call you on the go. You can share the numbers across ads or within an ad group. They exclusively drive calls to your business, and you can set numbers to show only when your business takes calls. You can count calls as conversions, and call extensions typically improve your click-through rate. Using dynamic search ads. Dynamic search ads are based on the content of your website. It uses Google's organic web crawling technology to automatically target relevant search queries based on website content. The incremental traffic increase can fill in gaps in keyword campaigns for great return on investment. It allows you to target ads with many queries with an easy campaign creation workflow. Benefits include time saving, no more mapping keywords, bids, and ad text to each product on your website. Use organic search index of your website to determine which searches may be relevant to your products. Frequent automatic updates to your ads. Google crawls the website to ensure they have the latest version of your pages. Show relevant, dynamically generated headlines with your ads. Dynamic search ads include a generated headline that is slightly longer than the standard text ad. Control your campaign. You can show ads based on your entire website or specific categories or pages. You may prevent ads from showing for products that are currently out of stock. Capture additional information. Business is promoted to more customers than you normally could reach. Shopping campaigns. These allow retailers to promote online and local inventory, boost traffic to website or stores, and to find more qualified leads. To get started, send your product data with Merchant Center and create a campaign in AdWords. Shopping ads show users a photo, title, price, store name, and more. By giving a strong sense of the product before they click, the leads are very qualified. Benefits include more traffic. Click-through rate are typically higher than those for text ads. Better qualified leads. Users get a sense of which products and prices fit budgets and preferences. Easy retail-centric campaign management. Product attributes are used rather than keywords, and you can browse in your inventory directly in AdWords to create product groups for item you wish to bid on. A broader presence. More than one shopping ad may appear for a given search. If relevant, both a shopping ad and a text ad may appear simultaneously. Reach can double within a search. Powerful reporting and competitive data. Benchmarking data allows you to see the competitive landscape. Growth opportunities may be identified with impression share and bid simulator, and product performance can be checked at any level of granularity. Where the ads appear. Google Shopping in select countries. Google Search next to results and separate from text ads. Google Search partner websites including YouTube and image search in some countries. Shopping ads. These drive more traffic and leads, delivers better qualified leads, and allows for an ease of targeting without needing keywords. Format includes an image, title, price, and merchant name. Data is selected from the Merchant Center and can be used in conjunction with a great text ad to drive sales. Google Trusted Store badges, as shown on Lamps Plus on the slide, let shoppers know that the store ships quickly and provides excellent customer service. Hovering over the badge grants users an expanded report card. Enhancing ads with extensions. Create more reasons to click your ad. Improve visibility. Often appears above the search results. Better return on investment. More visibility often leads to higher click-through rate. So how do they work? AdWords shows the extensions when they calculate the extension will improve performance and the ad rank is high enough for it to appear. Extensions costs are charged on a cost per click basis. AdWords charges no more than 2 clicks per impression on each ad and its extensions. Extension types. App extensions send people to the App Store or begins downloading the app, a great way to introduce more customers to your app. Call extensions let people click a button and lead directly to a call. Location extensions help people find the nearest storefront or give you a call. They appear when someone is physically near a business matching the search terms. Review extensions showcase positive third-party reviews from reputable sources. Site link extensions add links to help people find what they are looking for specifically. Callout extensions add descriptive text to help people learn more about what you have to offer. The previous visit extension shows people if they have clicked before to your website. Adding an extension does not impact quality score, but may increase clicks. Customizers adapt your text ad to the terms one is searching for, the device they are searching with, where one is located, or even the time, day, or date. Benefits include tailored messaging. Ads are hyper-specialized to each search or web page view. Time-sensitive calls to action. The countdown function can list how much time remains in a promotion. Scalability. Customers let a single text ad have hundreds of variations and show the most relevant variation to each potential customer. Reporting. Automatic updates that happen when an ad is triggered do not reset the ad's performance data. Ad customizers are parameters that are listed within braces. The parameter is replaced dynamically by text when the ad is triggered. Customizers can be added within any search or display network text except the URL field. Keyword insertion updates ads with the keywords that cause them to show up. The keyword may not be always identical to the person's search term, specifically if a broad match modifier is being produced. The results on the slide were created by using the following insertion code. The headline, "Buy keyword chocolate." Gourmet chocolate truffles were not used in the advertisement as there is too much text. Understanding landing page experience. Provide relevant, useful, original content. Ensure relevance to your ad text and keyword. If someone searches for a laptop computer, a most relevant landing page would only include laptop computers and not desktops and tablets. Provide useful information on your landing page about advertisement content. Try to offer useful features or unique content. Promote transparency and trustworthiness. Make contact information easy to find. If you request personal information, make the benefit to the consumer clear. Distinguish sponsored content from the rest of your content. Clearly state what your business does and openly share information. Make it easy to navigate your site. It must be quick and easy to order the mentioned product. A website should be easy to use regardless of the browser and device type. Don't irritate customers with features that interfere with site navigations, such as pop-ups or geographic selectors. Encourage customers to spend time there. Offer quick page loads so users aren't tempted to leave. Landing page experience impacts quality score and, as a result, ad rank. If budget limitations are restrictive, a relevant landing page with high quality score can help ads appear in search results. High quality ratings help improve an ad's position without increasing its bid. Showing your bids and determining bids. Keyword matching options, language and geographic targeting, bid types, flexible bidding strategies, setting budgets, scheduling and rotating ads, management options, automate with bulk edits and automated rules, account optimization tools. Using keyword matching options. Keyword match types help control which searches trigger your ads. In general, broad match will show to a much wider audience than an exact match term. It is recommended to start with broad match terms and move to more specific match terms as you analyze effectiveness. The more specific the term, the more qualified the attracted audience may be. Keyword match types can be used for campaigns that show ads on the search network, but the display network treats keywords as broad match. Negative keywords can help you reach the most interested consumers, reduce your expenses, and improve your return on investment. When you add terms as negative keywords or keyword exclusions on the display network, your ad will not show for those terms. The goal is to choose search terms that are similar to your keywords, but signal people who are looking for a different product. An optometrist may wish to have negative keywords for terms like wine or drinking, as a person searching for wine glasses is not intending to purchase corrective lenses. How similar keywords match to search terms within the same ad group. If a situation where you may have several similar keywords that match a search, AdWords utilizes the following set of ranked preferences. 1. Use a keyword that matches the search term exactly, rather than one that doesn't. 2. Use an exact match keyword when the keywords are the same. 3. Use the highest keywords that has the highest ad rank. As an exception, AdWords will default to using a less expensive keyword if it has a higher ad rank. How multiple keywords within multiple ad groups match to search terms. 1. Use a keyword that matches the search term exactly, instead of a keyword that doesn't. 2. Use an exact match keywords when the keywords are the same. 3. Use the keyword that has the highest ad rank. Limited budgets, cheaper keywords, and an excessive number of identical keywords will create exceptions. Here are some basic tips for building your keyword list. Think like a customer. Write down the categories of your business. Then write the terms or phrases for each category, and then start to include brand and product names. Select specific words for specific audiences. For best qualified traffic, select specific terms tied to specific products. Select general keywords to reach more people. If your goal is to reach the greatest quantity of people, test very general keywords and compare results. Group similar keywords into ad groups. Terms like men's tennis shoes should be placed into a different group than those like women's evening shoes. Each ad group should have its own theme. Pick the right number of keywords. Google recommends 5 to 20 keywords per ad group. Choose keywords that relate to the website or apps your customer sees. Language targeting allows you to choose the language of the sites that you'd like your ads to appear on. The ads are shown to customers that use Google products or visit sites on the Google Display Network in the same language. AdWords does not translate ads or keywords. The language your customers are targeting in is based on their Google interface language settings. Targeting all languages may be helpful, as a customer who searches in Spanish but has their settings set to English would not see an ad in Spanish. Language targeting is powerful, but there are situations where it may not be the best approach. For example, if your keyword is hotel, which is spelled the same way in many languages, people may see your ad but not understand the language it is written in. To show an ad like this in multiple languages, it may be best to create a separate campaign for each language. Geographic targeting allows your ads to appear in the locations that you choose: countries, regions, a radius of a location, or location groups. Location targeting helps you focus your ads on the areas with the qualified customers and restrict ads in areas with unqualified customers. This is a great way to increase your return on investment. Location targeting settings can be adjusted at any time. Location groups allow you to reach customers based on the type of places they visit, demographic information based on location, or when they are at or near your place of business via location extensions. Airports, central commercial areas, and universities are examples of targetable groups. Advanced location targeting enables you to reach people in, searching for, or who show interest in your targeted location, reach people in your targeted location, reach people searching for or show an interest in a targeted area, exclude people in, searching for, or who show interest in your excluded location, exclude people in your excluded location. Language and location targeting are powerful tools for optimizing advertising. Combining language and geographic targeting, such as the English language and France, would enable a restaurant owner in France to deliver a targeted advertisement to an English-speaking tourist. Bidding types. CPC bidding. Cost per click or maximum cost per click bid. You pay only when a viewer is interested enough to click your ad. You can set your own bid amounts or let AdWords automatically set bids to provide as many clicks as possible. You can determine what your bid amount based on what you know about your business and value of a sale or customer lead. For example, if you sell $5,000 diamond rings, one new customer is worth more to you than if you sell 99-cent pack of gum. Ad rank is impacted by both quality score and max CPC. You may frequently pay less than your max CPC, as AdWords charges just enough to maintain a higher ranking than the rank held by the next highest bidder in the auction. Having a higher max CPC will cause your ads to show more often. CPA bidding, or cost per acquisition, lets you decide the amount you're willing to pay for a conversion. It can help you reach people likely to take action on your website. You'll need to set up conversion tracking or cross-account conversion tracking, or be importing data from Google Analytics, and turn on target CPA bidding, which uses historical information about your campaign. Set a max or target CPA bid. This is set up on an average amount per conversion basis. Some conversions will be above the target and some below. Flexible bid strategies. These are more advanced bidding options which automatically set bids to optimize performance based on different advertising goals. Flexible bid strategies provide automated bidding at the right time. Maximize clicks. Automatically sets bids to help get the most clicks within a target spend amount. Target search page location. Automatically adjust bids to help get ads at the top of the page or to the first page of the search results. Target cost per acquisition, or CPA, automatically sets bids to help get as many conversions as possible while reaching your average cost per acquisition goal. The methodology used by AdWords is based on historical conversion data. To determine effectiveness, compare average CPA and conversion rate before and after target CPA. Using target CPA recommendations is a healthy starting point. To set this up, you need data on a minimum of 15 conversions in the past 30 days. If after implementing CPA bidding, conversions are dropping, you may consider raising the target CPA bid to improve performance. Enhanced Cost Per Click, or ECPC, automatically adjusts the manual CPC bid based on each click's likelihood to result in a conversion, up to 30% after any other bid adjustments. Target Return on Ad Spend automatically sets bids to maximize conversion value while trying to reach an average return on ad spend. Target Outranking Share automatically raises or lowers bids to help ads outrank ads from another domain. Bid adjustment types. Mobile, to change the frequency on mobile devices, such as -90% to +300%. Location, change frequencies based on country, city, or other geographic territory, from -90% to the +900% range. Ad scheduling. For those using a custom ad schedule, it allows you to adjust bids that show only on certain days or hours, from -90% to a +900% range. Top content. On YouTube and the Display Network, you can set bid adjustments for more popular items, from 0% to a +500% range. Targeting methods, adjustments on topics, placements, or other targeting methods on the Display Network, from -90% to a +900% range. Remarketing lists for search ads allow you to increase or decrease bids to those who have already been on your website, from -90% to a +900% range. Setting campaign budgets. AdWords has a robust selection of options that encourage you to maximize your resources. CPC, times clicks per day, is your sample daily budget. With monthly advertising budget, divide the monthly budget by 30.4, the average number of days in a month. Campaigns may cost more than your daily budget. AdWords helps maximize ROI by showing your ads more often on days with high search traffic. When ads are shown more often than usual, your total daily cost may be up to 20% higher than your budget. Search traffic fluctuates based on weekdays, seasonality, and holidays. Dipping into your daily budget for other days in the months can optimize your campaign's performance and maximize the productivity of your budget. Up to 120% of your daily budget can be used to show your ads on any given day, but will never exceed your monthly campaign budget. If AdWords exceeds the 120% cap, you will receive an over-delivery credit. If you have a $10 budget and a $13 daily charge was applied, you would receive a $1 credit. If your monthly budget is exceeded, your daily budget times 30.4, Google will issue you an over-delivery credit for the difference. The monthly charging limit is not utilized if your daily budget changes throughout the month. To avoid depleting your daily budget, let's consider letting AdWords automatically bid for you, changing the delivery method from accelerated to standard, using the AdWords recommended budgets, slightly lowering your manual bids, decrease your CPC, to increase the number of times your ad may be shown. Raising cost per click bids with a very constrained budget can result in fewer conversions because your ads may be shown less frequently. Ad scheduling and rotation. Depending on your business model, you may not want to show all ads on all days of the week or times of day. Ad scheduling allows you to specify certain times you desire to show your ads and bid adjustments for specific times and days. By default, AdWords campaigns are set to show ads all days and hours. Scheduling is only available to those using campaigns with the All feature setting enabled. Time zones are based on the time zone you selected when initially creating the account. Choosing an ad delivery method. Ad delivery method is relevant if campaigns are limited by budget, since it lets you decide how quickly to spend this budget. If using a campaign type with all features enabled, you have two options for ad delivery: standard, that spends throughout the day, and accelerated, that spends quickly. Using ad rotation and frequency capping. Rotation dictates how often active ads are delivered in relation to others within an ad group. You can optimize by clicks, which is the default, optimize for conversions, rotate evenly, and rotate indefinitely. Frequency capping on the display network limits the number of times ads appear to a unique visitor. Management options. Display URL. The website address that is shown in your ad, typically appearing as green in the text ad. The display URL will typically include your website's subdomain. Landing page URL. Most advertisers use a simple, easily read URL and define a longer landing page URL to send people to the most specific area of the site possible. The landing page URL can have two components. The final URL, which is required, is the URL of the page on your site that people will reach when they click the ad. The tracking template, which is optional. If using a tracking template, the template gets added onto your final URL to create your landing page URL. Google policy is that the display URL and landing page URL should refer to the same domain. URL options for tracking. Custom parameter. URL parameters that you can create yourself and add to your tracking templates and final URLs. These parameters could include things such as the keyword that was used to trigger the search. Test button. A way to check that you set up your tracking correctly. Once you click Test, AdWords will combine your final URL with any tracking you set up to make sure your ad will lead to a proper landing page URL. Cross-account conversion tracking. If you have multiple AdWords accounts, you can track conversions across each of those accounts. If you'd like, using a single code snippet or a tag with cross-account conversion tracking. Benefits of this include fewer code snippets and reports. It's simpler, more powerful reporting that enables you to know how people interact with your keywords across all of your accounts and consolidate your conversion reports into one for all accounts. Minimize miscounts. Placing fewer tags makes it less likely that you could count the same conversion twice. Speeds up your site. Fewer tags means less HTML on your website, and that will speed up load time for your customers. Remarketing lists for search ads, or RLSA. Remarketing lists allow you to customize your campaign for those who have already visited your site. There are two basic strategies. You can bid on keywords you normally wouldn't for those who have converted in the past, and you can optimize bids on existing keywords, such as increasing bids by 25% for those who have visited the site in the last 30 days. Remarketing lists work by adding a remarketing tag to your site. The code tells AdWords to add each visitor to your list. Once the tag is added to your site, you can add the list to an ad group tailored to those customers. Google does require that you have 1,000 cookies or more before the list can be used to tailor your ads to protect the privacy of those on the list. Efficient campaign management with automated rules and bulk changes. Automated rules. These let you make changes in your account automatically based on the settings and conditions that you choose. You are able to change ad status, budget, bids, and more. This saves time by reducing the time required to monitor campaigns and make manual changes. You can schedule ads for special promotions, pause low-performing ads or keywords, change keyword bids to control your average position, raise keyword bids to keep you on the first page, and send emails if budget is nearly exhausted early in the day. AdWords scripts let you make automatic changes in accounts using JavaScript to change bids, pause ad groups, and add keywords. Scripts are effective if you manage large campaigns. Scripts can also be used to modify multiple accounts via the My Client Center. Bulk edits. Bulk editing allows you to save time by simultaneously updating multiple items across multiple campaigns or within a single campaign. Bulk uploads. Download a spreadsheet with account details, make changes offline, and upload to the account. AdWords Editor. Free downloadable application that allows you to manage your accounts offline so you may make bulk edits to your campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and then upload them back into AdWords when you are ready. You can export and import files to share proposals or make changes, view stats for all subsets of a campaign, search and replace text across ads or campaigns, undo or redo multiple changes while editing, make changes in a draft setting before uploading, manage, edit, and view multiple accounts at the same time. The AdWords API, or Application Programming Interface, lets developers build applications that interact directly with the AdWords server. You can automatically generate keywords, ad text, landing pages, and custom reports. You can integrate AdWords data with inventory systems to manage campaigns based on stock. It allows you to develop additional tools and apps to help manage accounts, and allows development in your language of choice. It's a great tool for making frequent, specific changes to bids based on criteria for hundreds to thousands of keywords. Account optimization tools. The Keyword Planner, a free tool that acts as a workshop for building new search network campaigns or improving existing ones. You can search for keywords and ad group ideas, see how a list of keywords may perform, and create a new keyword list by multiplying several lists together. This helps choose competitive bids and budgets to use with your campaign. Research options. Search for new keywords using a phrase, category, or website. Get search volume data and trends. Get click and cost performance forecasts. AdWords Bid Simulator. The Bid Simulator collects and analyzes data from ad auctions on the search network and the display network, while considering information such as quality score, keyword traffic, and auction competition. The tool uses this information to estimate how your ads might have performed. Bid simulators provide insight into how performance may have been affected in the past 7 days, but don't attempt to predict the future performance. Regular bid simulators show how changes to max CPC may change the number of clicks, impressions, conversions, cost, and conversion values your ads could receive. Different types: campaign, the Campaigns tab; shopping, in the Products tab; target CPA, Campaigns tab or shared library; and mobile. Campaign Bid Simulator. View bid changes in aggregate and model changes when keywords or ad groups might not have enough data for this on their own. Bid scaling is available so you can see what may happen if you alter bids by a specific percentage. Google will tell you if you need to increase your budget and by how much, if your campaign level bid changes will alter traffic significantly. You can model what would happen if you changed all bids in a campaign to a fixed value. Download bid simulation data at the account or campaign level. You can download an AdWords editor file with the bid amounts to which ad groups and keywords must be set. Ideas to improve your account, the AdWords Opportunities tab. The tab acts as a personal assistant, customizing opportunities for your account. It can help you discover new keywords, improve your bids and budget. For keywords, you can add new keywords, add negative keywords, use phrase or broad match types. Bids and budget. Use estimated top of page bid, use estimated first page bid, lower bids for campaigns limited by budget, raise bids to show your ads more often than similar advertisers, set location bid adjustments, and raise your budget. Ad extensions. Add site link extensions, add call extensions. Account structure. Create new ad groups from existing keywords. Opportunities related to settings. Optimize ad rotations to get more clicks or conversions. Show your ads on Google Search Partners to get more clicks at a lower cost. The AdWords Account Manager. Save time with a single login. See all your accounts at once and grant access and control access. You can set up cross-account conversion tracking and consolidated billing. And an account can be linked up to 5 manager accounts and have up to 6 levels of depth. Measure, monitor, optimize. Measure your search network campaign. Tracking statistics like clicks, impressions, and click-through rate is a great way to start. It's always important to think about what you are trying to achieve so you can focus on statistics that measure or provide insights about your goals. Report Editor is a new way to visually slice and dice your performance data. The simple drag and drop interface to quickly build and manipulate multidimensional tables. Multi-segment analysis lets you slice and dice your data with fine granularity. Custom charts allow you to visualize your most important trends, and advanced filtering and sorting allow you to filter on segmented metrics and sort by multiple columns. General statistics. Clicks. The number of users who click on your ad, a great indicator of how appealing your ad is. Click-through rate. The rate of people who click on your ad after seeing it. Clicks over impressions. Impressions. Each time your ad appears on a search result page or other site on the Google network. Search impression share equals the impressions on search network over eligible impressions. Display impression share equals impressions on the display network over eligible impressions. Lost IS budget, the percentage of time your ads weren't shown due to limited budget. Lost IS rank, the percentage of time ads weren't shown due to poor rank. Search exact match IS is the impressions received over the estimated number of eligible impressions on the search network for terms that exactly matched your keywords. Ad status, to show if your ads are running. Ad average position. Top performing ads typically appear on the first page of search results. Ad variation. Compares the statistics for the variation of ads in the ad group. Keyword status. Whether a keyword is triggering ads to run. Quality score. Monitors the Google-generated quality score from 1 to 10. Search terms. The actual search terms that drove traffic to your site. Return on investment, which is revenue minus cost of goods sold over AdWords spend. By calculating ROI, you can find out how much money you have made by advertising on AdWords and use historical data to give your budget allocation. If you have certain campaigns generating a higher ROI than others, you may choose to alter your funding. Profits for a campaign can be calculated by estimating revenue based on the value of an AdWords customers, factoring out gross margins and subtracting AdWords costs. If budget is unlimited, so long as ROI is positive, test different target CPA bid increases to see which maximizes profitability. Conversions. Knowing the cost per conversion can help you better optimize bids and budget and understand return on investment. You can track the number of conversions, cost per conversion, conversion rate, keyword conversion data, cross-device conversions, which is converting on a different device than the ad click, visible in the All Conversions column. All conversions attempt to combine online conversions with phone calls, store visits, in-app conversions, and multi-device conversions. Monitor your search network campaign. Use segments to view performance data. Segments split your data into rows based on the options that matters most to you, such as periods of time, click type, or device. This allows you to view the data by isolating exactly what you want to see. Segment types include click type, conversion, device, experiment, keyword replacement, network, and network evaluate performance on search partner sites versus display partner sites. Search terms match type, special category, time, and top versus other. Measuring paid and organic search results. With paid in the organic report, you can see how often pages from your website are showing in Google's free organic search results and which terms triggered those results to show on the search results page. To use the report, you need a Search Console account for your website, and that account needs to be linked to your AdWords account. This report is limited to text ad performance. Use the organic search results to identify new, potentially valuable keywords to gain a holistic view of online performance, such as keywords that are showing in organic searches that you could implement for paid search. Use an Auction Insights to compare performance. Auction Insights reports allow you to compare performance to that of other advertisers participating in the same auctions. It aids in your strategic decision about bidding and budgeting by showing where you may be missing opportunities and where you are succeeding. The report is available for both search and shopping campaigns. Attribution reports and conversion data. Attribution reports show the series of steps customers take before completing a conversion, including information on ads, clicks, and other elements of the campaign. You can see which keywords assisted conversions that eventually happened with other keywords. Reports on search pattern, top paths clicks, top path impressions, and top paths transitions. Report on different attribution methods. Reports on click-assisted and impression-assisted conversions. Reports on first and last clicks. Reports on timing, path length, and time lag. View-through conversion data. A view-through conversion happens when a customer sees an image or rich media ad, then later completes a conversion on your site. View-through conversions automatically exclude conversions from people who have also clicked your search or other display ads. View-through conversions enable you to track the value of your display ad campaigns on the Google Display Network. This is not available for Search Network campaign ads. Optimize your Search Network campaign. Creating great ads. Tie keywords back to ad creatives. Write simple, compelling copy highlighting unique selling points. Tailor ads for mobile searches. Use ad extensions to lift click-through rate through improved relevance. Test and optimize creatives. Start with high-volume ads. Create multiple variations of your ads for testing opportunities. Consider setting your ad rotations to optimize automatically. If you test manually, check your results frequently. Always put the focus on the customer. If you're offering a tour of your facility, include location extensions so they can easily see where you are based. Here are some keyword tips. Think about the different ways customers could reach you. Align your keywords with your business goals. Delete low search volume keywords. Use broad match for long tail queries and use exact match for your primary value and volume drivers. Don't create minute variations of phrase or exact match keywords. Use dynamic search ads to streamline account management. Maximize presence by improving ad rank. Extend your user reach by including search partners. Make negative keyword additions a normal part of your account maintenance. Focus negative keyword management on the places that will do the most good. Bid prioritization. Prioritize adjustments based on business goals. Review your desktop and mobile performance. Calculate your mobile bid adjustment. Set the adjustments based on insights from cross-device conversion and total estimated conversion data. Review performance by location. Calculate location bid adjustments. Adjust for local stores or service areas. Review performance by time. Calculate time bid adjustments. And automate where you can save time and improve performance dynamically. Bid for profit. Define a formula that calculates total profits from AdWords. Run a broad-scale manual big test. Evaluate results and measure your profit. Use automation to adjust your bids. Campaign experiments. AdWords campaign experiments allow you to test changes to your account on a portion of the auctions that the ads participate in. The results from the experiments allow you to test changes without drastically altering your advertising. Campaign experiments allow you to decide what you want to test and what percentage of the auction the experimental changes should appear in. There are no additional costs to the experiments, but you are still charged the same way as always. Experiments may impact your quality score, as trial ads may perform worse than your current ads. Exam resources. The exam is made up of 98 questions, a combination of multiple choice, true or false, and fill in the blank. You'll have 120 minutes to complete the exam. You need to get a score of 80% or higher to pass, and if you don't pass the exam, you can take it again after 7 days. And for certification requirements, you must pass the fundamentals exam and pass one other exam. There are many resources available to you: the study guide, the refresher guide, and the Google's partners page. Good luck in your exam.